Hi, Simon.
How you doing, mate?
Yeah, not too bad, dude.
Good, good. Not too bad, mate. Right. Since I ended up draining the radiator, I thought I did have another part as well that I wanted to replace. The heater control switch. Oh, look at that. Just taken off the pipes. See all the crud. And it's getting hard to turn the heat down on the vent. I don't know if you can see in the hole. Can you see all the crud build up? And it's very hard to move this. And it comes. You just have to unclip your wire, take those two clips off. Comes from in there, so had this puck a while now. What a difference. So but that's fully open, and that's fully open. You can see the sludge build up, and you can actually hear this, like it's like there's sand in it. This one, oh, dreamy, smooth baked bun. So all you do is a little clip that comes on there. That's where your cable stops. But I don't want to put the wire on first because it might bend it. Get down there?
No.
No, get up and in.
Why? I'm in.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know what you've done there. Oh, see the pipe?
Yeah.
So that goes on there. Actually, I'll put the wire in first. There's a little hole. That goes through to your heating. Hot and cold switch. That goes on like that. Then you put your top one on. Now this is the important bit. That black cable has got to be clipped right on the edge. There it is. And then as you do your heater controls, it pushes and pulls. And I've just got to put these clips up top. So whilst you're draining your coolant, if your heater switch is snapping or it's struggling, that's how you do that.
Your arm's in the bloody way.
Yeah, of course it is. Squeeze that together. Get it right up. Quite easy to do. Saying that.
This is.
Oh, there's always problems. Over the bottom over the tube? I can't even see. Heater controls. Oh, it moves like a charm now. Hot. Let's check. Oh, she is hot. And then spin it around. If you like this video, then you're going to love this one next. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It's free.